Look at how these kaimatis came out so beautiful. They were so yummy. Guys, watch this video to the end to get the most simplest and easiest recipe. Stay tuned. You don't need to miss this. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. So our ingredients are, we have this baking powder, we have oil, we have our this is sugar, and then we have our Ajab. Yes, this is a baking flour. So Ajab, kindly, we need to be brand ambassadors. Okay, so that is what I'm going to use. You can see how simple this is going to be. So guys, I'm going to start. So I have my water. This is a pre-boiled water, 2 cups approximately. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add oil, a minimum. Oil tu unapima na macho. What is enough for you? Then you stir, okay? So after stirring, you put it aside kidogo with your ingredients, kidogo. So now we have our flour inside here. So what I'm going to add, our dry ingredients, sugar. I'm going to add sugar. Remember, sugar, this one is like half a glass, but you can add it according to what you prefer. Some people prefer a lot of sugar, but for me, I don't go with a lot of it. And then, so there is sugar inside there. We also have our this is baking flour, chapa Maandazi. So I'm going to go in with that as well. So here I'm going to put two. This is a tablespoon. 2 of that. So that is 1, 2. So I've gone in with 2, as you can see, and then you like that. So beautiful. So after adding, you take your water. Your water now you add. So the consistency, I'm going to show you the the consistency. I'm going to show you how it is supposed to be. Okay. So you want something like this, you see, like that, yeah. So you want something like that. So here you mix, and if you have that mixer, you mix kabisa. So I'm mixing, as you can see. So this is what we want, okay? That is the consistency that we want. So we are making Kaimati. Yes, so that is what you want. That is the consistency, guys. So here you can also add anything that you want. If you want iliki, you can add. If you want eggs, you can add. Blueband, you can add. Actually, let me add Blueband. So you can add Blueband at any point, okay? So let's do this. Take your Blueband, this one. So I'm adding my Blueband at that point. Remember, our water is it was a bit hot kidogo, so the Blueband will just melt inside. So you see, that is the consistency that we want. So after that, we are going to cover it and wait for like 30 minutes EV, and then we cook them, okay? So let's cover it because we had used our baking flour and it needs to rise. So guys, so I have covered it. I have covered our mix for it to rise, so it is well covered. So we will wait for 30 minutes, and then we cook them. So now the 30 minutes are finally over, and what you're going to do right about now is that we are going to actually burn our kaimatis. So I'm just uncovering the kaimatis, and look how good or how well it has risen. So it has risen so well. So right about now we're just going in with the paste inside the oil so that we can also burn them. I want to show you how I put them inside there so that they can have a good burn. So look at that, guys. So that is how I place them inside the oil. So I use this polythene bag, but at this point you can also use a spoon to scoop them, or an ice cream scooper. You can also use an ice cream scooper to put them inside the oil. So you can just do it your way, but I like doing it this way because it also prevent me from getting the paste stuck on my hands. So that's why I prefer this way. So again, guys, if you like this kind of content, kindly make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below if there is anything that you've not understood quite well. Do not hesitate to ask me on the comment section. I will be more than willing to actually explain it to you in details. And again, guys, kindly support this channel, and your support comes in this way. By subscribing to this channel, you actually support me a big time. So currently I'm at 450 subscribers, and I need to get to 1,000 subscribers. So guys, kindly do me a favor by clicking on the subscribe button. Also like, once you like this video, it will be distributed. Actually it will be distributed and many people will get to see it. So that's how a like button supports a channel. It also supports the channel to grow, guys. So right now you can see how good the kaimatis are turning out. So you can just see there how they're turning out. And again, guys, kindly ensure that your oil is not too hot, because if your oil is too hot, it will just burn the kaimatis on the outside, and then when you see the inside, it is not well cooked. So ensure that your oil is not too hot. Now look at that. I want you to show you how it came out. Yeah, look at that, guys. Look at that. Very beautiful. So it is a very simple recipe. Kindly ensure that you also share with friends, share with your loved one, share with a family and relatives, someone that you feel should watch this recipe and maybe help them in one way or another. And again, I did another video of how to make of how to make bajias. If you've not watched that video, kindly check it down. It's on my videos. Check it out. It's also a very, very simple recipe, guys. I always come with simple recipes, something that will not waste your time actually. So look at that. Look at the inside, well cooked, very yummy. It is so good, guys. It is so good. Look at that. Look at that, guys. They came out so beautifully. I liked them.